Coach Vincent, thank you very much for your time. A convincing 3-0 win. Are you happy with the result, and what are your thoughts on the game?
I'm so happy with the results. My boys have really worked their socks off for this one. It wasn't an easy game. The opponents, Chief Rollers, they were also prepared for this one. But I think that today our structure was a bit solid. All the time, whenever we had the ball, we always played the extra pass, and all the extra passes helped us to be together all the time. And then when the extra passes are well constructed, it becomes much more easier and quicker for us to actually regain the ball back after losing it, because we were clear that these Chief Rollers, they are so dangerous when it comes to counterattacks. So we didn't want to give them the ball and react seconds later. So whenever we had the ball, the first thing that we always prepared for was that, guys, let's play the extra pass, play the player that is nearer to you, so that if we lose it, it's a 2v1 against them or a 3v2 against them. We always have superior numbers. And once we started doing that, they started to realize that we adding a whole lot of numbers where the ball is, and they started to pile up more numbers up front in trying to prevent us in conducting the short passing game. And then they forgotten that our front three is so quick, which is what we always aim for, is that we want to soak the opponents into our own half by building from the back, so that when they come, they create a whole lot of space in behind their defense and the goalkeeper, then we can exploit the space. So I'm happy that my boys did it exactly like we've been practicing it.
Coach, thank you very much for going to detail into that game plan. I actually enjoyed watching your boys. But I'm not sure how you feel about the second half. You scored all the 3 goals in the first half. Second half, you couldn't put the ball in the back of the net. How do you feel about that?
Second half, I told my boys, we've scored 3 goals in the first half. Every little moment that we get, let's try to keep the ball, move the ball around, but move it with objectives. I think we missed 2-3 clear chances where we could have made the score even worse, because what I knew was that they're going to pile more numbers up front, and they made 2 double subs of a center forward and number 10. They did the 2 subs immediately when we went back for the second half. Then I was clear in my mind that they want to put everything to us. So the most important thing was to maintain the rhythm, not to lose the control of the game, observe the pressure, but when we get the ball, make it difficult for them to get back. And when they spend most of the time not having the ball, they become they no longer become dangerous to us. First half they were a bit dangerous to us, but second half, if you look at it, when they started piling more numbers and we started to keep possession, they did not even create one chance in the second half. They created all the chances in the first half because we opened the game a bit as we wanted to get goals. But in the second half, it was more about managing the game well and not losing the ball cheap, because when you have the ball, the opposition, they will never score. You.
Coach, this game against Augusto Colossius Apprentice Academy, a team that plays the ball just like you. What are your thoughts on the upcoming fixture?
I don't know. Honestly, I wish I had answers. But then tomorrow is Monday. We're going back to our training session to do the recovery and try to prepare a bit on the schemes and the patterns and the combination of the players that we will be using against Augusto Palacios. But all that I can say is that the team will work hard. Everybody who comes out here to give the support to the team, they will be certainly clear that everybody that is donning that jersey, they putting their hearts on the edge for that team. That's all that I can say for Tuesday's clash.
Coach Vincent, thank you very much for your time and all the best going forward.
Thanks so much.
Coach Brown, you must be very disappointed. A 3-0 loss. What are your thoughts on the game?
Thank you, sir. Firstly, I want to congratulate Malandela FC. They were a better team. They were well prepared. They show more hunger than us. Scoring 3 goals in the first 20 minutes was difficult for us to come back. I think their striker jersey number 3 outclassed our defense. We tried our level best to come with a strategy of changing the formation, but still it didn't work for us. I wish we could have at least converted one clear chance first half. We were going to come back to the game. At least if we managed to pull one and change with 3-1, then second half I think we were going to match them, because second half they didn't play much. They sit at the back and only play long balls. But I must say, it's our first loss after 5 games. Maybe we needed this loss so that we can prepare for the next game.
Coach, what are you going to do to improve from this result and to ensure that the chances that you create, you are able to convert?
I think we must go back to training and train our boys and try to do exactly what you are telling them to do, because today they didn't have much discipline up front. We normally have play 4-5-1, a diamond shape, so our target man was coming